to Warren Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, magpapa-spa and massage tayo.
It's PAMPER Day.
Yes,
PAMPER
PAMPER Day.
Yes. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa, ayan guys, 6M's Beauty Lounge. So, this has two sections. So, dun sa baba po niya is ito yung pinaka-massage natin. And then yung second floor naman is nandun yung retail at saka yung
Spa.
Yes. Yun. So, we're gonna experience it today. So, samahan niyo po kami if you wanna know more about this.
So, tara.
Let's
go!
So, ayun guys, welcome to 6M's Beauty Lounge. So, dito guys, meron silang mga nail services, lashes, mga foot spa. They also have mga beauty drips dito. And then, bago ka papasok dito is yung kanilang retail store. So, doon naman guys, makikita mo yung mga sikat na mga beauty products, mga pampapayat, pampaputi, pampapogi. Actually, for more information kung ano po yung particular product na hinahanap nyo, message their fan page para po masagot po kayo directly. So, kini po ding services you are nails,
lashes, waxing, Gluta drip,
wow.
spa, yan.
Okay. So, meron silang for comfortable, balang sleeping chairs lapan and aesthetic. Right, getting ready for our foot spa.
Yes, so this is our first part, yung kanilang foot spa. So, then later on, magpapamassage naman tayo.
But while we are enjoying our spa dito, so they prepared for us yung kanilang mga beauty drinks. Yes. So this one's a coffee. What's yours, bro?
This is a mango shake.
Oh.
So, syempre may mga katumbas na
Vitamins and minerals.
vitamins and beauty products. Yan.
How about the other one? Pareho lang wala.
Same.
Alright. Okay, let's enjoy it.